Hello, everyone. I want to do a demonstration here for walking through the library website, right? So that you'll be able to locate some scholarly articles for essay number 2, right? Which requires you to do a review / rhetorical analysis of an article and then to locate at least 2 additional scholarly articles to inform your analysis of your primary article or to, compare and contrast with that article. So to access the library website, you go to library.howard.edu. This takes you to the kind of general Howard website. There, you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. So you click on My Library Account. Click on Students, Faculty, and Residents. And if you're using a browser where you're already logged in, right, then it will take you directly there. So here we have the Howard website, the Howard Library website. We've got a few functions here: new search, journal search, A to Z database list, browsing, research guides, and ILL account. ILL is interlibrary loan. Howard is part of the DC Consortium of Libraries. So you can get a book or a journal article from any of the libraries that are part of this Washington, D.C. Research Library Consortium. So we'll start with the general, right, search, the kind of main search here. So you would put in your topic, right? And we'll start very broadly here, but through your brainstorming, right, you should have some keywords to search some more specific topics. But we'll start very broadly here, right? And let's say social justice. Using this primary search, right, you'll get access to lots of different things, but you can narrow it down. For this assignment, looking for an article to analyze the author's rhetorical strategies and provide a review of, you're going to want to limit what you access to scholarly academic articles. And you'll do that by selecting over here, right, where you can refine results on the left hand, selecting peer-reviewed journals. You can narrow it down specifically by certain subjects, right? So regarding your academic discipline, here, if I'm looking for social justice related to the social sciences, for example, can select that. Publication date, right? You're going to want to look for recent, very relevant, right, research on your topic. So you'll want to find research ideally within the past 10 years, perhaps even more recent than that, but let's say 2010. And then we can apply these filters and go from 618,000 results to something a bit more manageable here, right? 121,000. So here we're just looking at scholarly articles. We're just looking at articles published within the past 10 years, and we're just looking at articles. There you have it. So this is one way to access information, right? And the other one you would want to select, right, would be available online. Apply filters there. Articles that you can access online that you can get a PDF of, right, can access quickly. So this is one way to access scholarly articles. The other way would be to use the A to Z database list and to use a database. And you see lots of databases related to specific topics, right? So here we get African American Biographical Database, American Mathematical Society. One database that could be useful for finding general articles, right? If you go to M and go to the MLA International Bibliography. And here we'll be able to sort through articles. Right, and so let's say we'll be looking up social justice and social class, right? Say those are going to be our two terms there that we want to find. You can search that. You can also select certain databases, so you can refine it, right, even more. So the APA, you can look at, a mathematical database, social sciences databases, right? You can select all, but it might give you too broad results, but you can select all. Right, and we're going to look up social justice, social class. Search. And same thing here, you can refine your results using what's listed over here, right? We want peer-reviewed. We want published in the past 10 years or so. Again, I'll do 2010. We want specifically academic journals. And again, we could refine it even further, but I think this is a good place to start. Here you can access it, right? If the full text is available, you'll see PDF full text, HTML full text. Here you can select, you can share, you can save, right, your article to a variety of different places. So nice thing about EBSCO here, right, you can save it to your Google Drive, your OneDrive, you can email the information about the article to yourself. Gives you all of this information and background for the article, right? And to help you think about whether or not this would be an article you want to explore, right? You want to look at the title, you want to look at the authors, perhaps look at some of the keywords, right? These are the kind of things that come from your visual brainstorming. And read through the abstract, right? Which is going to give you a general overview of what the article is about. If that sounds like an article that you're interested in, then you can save it, right? Maybe save 4 or 5 of these for this assignment for essay number 2. Narrow that down, and then eventually choose one to read and be your primary article that you're going to analyze. And then from there, right, you'll find your additional 2 sources related to that article. So once you've found an article that you want to read, access it right here. You'll have the PDF and you'll be able to download it and read through the article. So that is how you can access a scholarly academic article in the Howard Library website.